Hello students, Ncert Solutions Class 12 Physics, Chapter number 2, Electrostatic Potential and Capacitance. Question number 11, a 600 picofarad capacitor is charged by a 200 volt supply. It is then disconnected from the supply and is connected to another uncharged 600 picofarad capacitor. How much electrostatic energy is lost in the process? Hello students, in this question given that this 600 picofarad capacitor means C1 is equal to 600 picofarad and this is 600 into 10 to the power minus 12 farad, and this capacitor is connected or charged by this 200 volt. V1 is equal to 200 volt supply. This 600 picofarad capacitor is this, and this capacitor is connected with a supply of 200 volt. This V is equal to 200 volt, and this capacitor C1 is equal to this. Now this positive, this negative, therefore this plate of the capacitor becomes positive and this is negatively charged. Now this capacitor disconnected is disconnected from supply and connected with another capacitor C2, that is C2 is equal to again 600 picofarad is equal to 600 into 10 to the power minus 12 farad, and the voltage of this potential difference of this capacitor is 0 because it is uncharged capacitor. Now uncharged capacitor, therefore now two capacitors, this C1 and C2 are joined with each other like this, and hence some energy lost during the process. ये कैपेसिटर हमारा पहले चार्ज था, इसको हमने अनचार्ज कैपेसिटर के साथ ज्वाइन किया, तो यहाँ पर एनर्जी का लॉस होता है क्योंकि इसकी हेल्प से ये दोबारा चार्ज होना शुरू करता है हमारा. Now this is energy loss U is equal to this C1 C2 into V1 minus V2 whole square upon this 2 into C1 plus C2. ये फॉर्मूला हमने एनर्जी लॉस का थ्योरी पार्ट में किया था, इसका डेरिवेशन यहाँ पर हम डायरेक्ट यूज करते हैं. Now on putting the values, this C1 and C2 are 6 into 10 to the power minus 12 minus 10. This is minus 10 because here this 600 into 10 to the power minus 12 is this minus 10, this whole square. C1 and C2 both are equal, दोनों की वैल्यू सेम, तो यहाँ पर हमने होल स्क्वायर किया. दिस V1 इज इक्वल टू हमारा 200 वोल्ट एंड V2 इज अनचार्ज, तो देयरफॉर 0 दिस होल स्क्वायर अपॉन 2 into C1 plus C2. C1 is 6 into 10 to the power minus 10 and C2 is also 6 into 10 to the power minus 10. वैल्यूज पुट करने के बाद सॉल्व करते हैं इसको. दिस इज 6 into 6 is 36 into 10 to the power minus 20 into this is 200 square means this 4 into 10 to the power 4, and here this is 6 plus 6 is 12, 12 to the 24 into 10 to the power minus 10 and this is 4 6 24 and this 6 36 or on solving this is equal to 6 into 10 raised power 6 into 10 raised power minus 6 joule. This is the answer and this is the energy loss during the process. हमारे पास एक कैपेसिटर पहले C1 is equal to 600 picofarad and it is charged with the help of this battery V is equal to 200 volt. चार्ज होने के बाद इसको हमने डिस्कनेक्ट किया और इस C1 को एक दूसरे कैपेसिटर अनचार्ज कैपेसिटर के साथ ज्वाइन किया. Identical capacitor C2 is equal to 600, V2 is equal to 0. Therefore, during this process, some energy get lost, and this U is equal to C1 C2 into V1 minus V2 whole square upon 2 into C1 plus C2. फॉर्मूले का यूज कर रहे हैं डायरेक्ट वैल्यूज पुट करने पर. ऑन सॉल्विंग दिस इज 6 into 10 raised power minus 6 जूल. दिस इज द आंसर. आशा करता हूं कि आपको समझ में आए. थैंक यू.